Okay, little huffing and puffing. I crawled from way down there up the bank. Got a large concrete base here, but it's like made out of cinders. So you know that's really old cement. They made it out of cinders. And here's the top of what I've been wanting to see. Said got a whole bunch of pylons all in a row. So how many we got? Looks like nine pylons. They're big. They're taller than me. Yeah. Whoa. Losing my balance there. They got these slots in them. Oh, do they have boards in between them? Not sure. That's what it looks like. I mean, why would you put slots in them like that? Unless it was just the way they poured it. Yeah, so they just continue along. Said I believe there's 9 of them. No name or date or anything I can see on any of them. Yeah, so I don't know. Again, I'll have to check maps, old mine maps, and try to figure out what was here. I mean, it looks like it's pretty flat right here. It kind of looks like an old railroad bed or something, or an old truck road, who knows. What the heck is this? Aluminum can. And there are more pylons over here the way I'm headed. Not many. I don't know if they were slopes or hoists. Oh, we got a brick. I hope I could read it. Oh, we got a brick. Maybe banner. Yeah, banner maybe. I would guess. I don't see any more structures up here. I'm looking. Said the 125 is right down there. I'm just outside of Shamokin on the southern side. I just wanted to see if there's anything else up here. See, there's a lot of coal dirt here. Yeah, there's a pylon right there. And then right in here too. I see a whole bunch of them. Yeah. They're like all in a row here. Like 2-3 sets of them. So yeah, these I've seen from the road too. So let's just check the top here and see if there's anything up here. I mean, it could have been, you know, to hoist stuff up the mountain and then load it from there or something. I don't know. I'm only guessing. Got a boot. Old boot. Tires. Big piece of metal. Old bottles. Why can't I find a sack of gold? That would be nice. Yeah, so I don't see any more structure up here. Said except for these pylons. Let me zoom in on them a little bit. See it? Right there. Right there. Yeah, so I don't know. Thanks for coming along. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. And we'll see you all again later. Bye-bye.